was a couple of weeks Sunday ago when Everton were playing Man United. Got a phone call from the police and the fire brigade saying our hut, which has been housing all our equipment for the last 30 odd years, has been burnt down. And I said, so me didn't, because it was Sunday night, went to the match. So Monday morning I went back to Camp Hill, seen the devastation. It was, I've got to be honest, and I did start, I had a little cry and went, oh, because everything went, all the balls, all the goals, even to the point where the boots, where we have an exchange of boots because children can't afford boots, that all melted because obviously the boots are all plastic. So from being on the Monday morning, being so down to where we are now has just been amazing. The community spirit has been unbelievable. I've been part of Everton Football Club for about 15, 20 years, the affiliation between Everton and MSP Woolton. So good friends of mine, Ian Lavery and stuff like that, and Darren said, how can we help? And all of a sudden they put on this fantastic evening for these very fortunate young children.
You're right, you do take it for granted that this is your job and you come here, but we can't do our jobs without these boys. Every boy starts at a grassroots football team, and Woolton's a good place for them to start. I remember from years and years ago when Woolton first started with a small number of clubs to be now apparently the biggest club in Europe. You probably couldn't imagine the feeling when they've turned up that Sunday morning and there's no hut with no equipment and everything. The life's work for some of them has gone up in smoke. Devante have been brilliant. They were first to say, yeah, we want to help and we'll help wherever we can. To see the boys' faces, and they're made up just to come for a game of football, but to actually be able to, through our contacts with the club and people we know, to be able to add to their fund is unbelievable.
We're a big global brand, but we've got local roots, so any opportunity we get to give back into the community, thanks to the partnership we've got with Everton, we've been very lucky to do that, and we've done that over a few occasions over the last few years, and live locally, play football in Camp Hill, where the incident occurred for, from the age of probably 7 up to 12, play for Bolton, play for 2 Bolton teams, means a lot more for us to help out. Going back to what I said before, it's unfortunate we have to do this, but we're very happy that we can give something back to them.
We didn't even know about this, and again, the community, I'm blown away. Chris and Devante Tyres. So our next step, how are we going to spend this money? We're going to spend it back on the children, back getting our stuff to a level where we can build probably maybe 200 teams. It's been amazing, from the under 4s up to the old veterans team. Everyone has come together. Woolton, surrounding areas, everywhere. The grassroots community of football has enhanced me to go, right, let's go again, let's start again. It's not just Woolton, it's the whole of grassroots football. It's been amazing. Yeah!